So let us solve this one. It is requested to find the value of z, whereas given x is equal to 2z and y is equal to 3z. So that means this x value, it is 2z, and this y value, it is equal to 3z. So that means this is a straight line, a straight angle, which is 180 degree. This one is part of the triangle. So it is given that this side is just x, which is 2z, and the other side, this one is just 3z, right? So we know that the straight line, it is 180 degrees, so that means 3z plus 2z is equal to 180, so 5z is equal to 180, and z is equal to 180 over 5 equal to 36 degree. So the answer is this one, 36.